To download a certificate from Microsoft Azure, typically for use in securing your applications or services, follow these steps. Sign into the Azure portal. Go to the Azure portal and log in with your Microsoft account. Navigate to the Certificate Manager. In the Azure portal, search for Key Vault and select it. If you already have a Key Vault, select it from the list or create a new one by clicking +Add and configuring the settings. Access certificates in the Key Vault. Once inside the Key Vault, go to the Certificate section from the left-hand menu. Download the certificate. Select the certificate you want to download from the list. Click on the download in CER, PEM or PFX format based on your needs. CER or PEM, used for public certificates. PFX, used for both private and public key certificates. Use the certificate. Save the certificate file on your local machine. If you downloaded a PFX certificate, you will need to provide a password to use it. Import the certificate. You can now use this certificate in your web server, application or service to secure communications or for authentication purposes.